So at the start of 2020, we started to hear a lot around the world of people who were suddenly losing their sense of smell.
At the beginning of my cigarette, I had the smell, I had the taste, and then half of my cigarette, like, oh, something is going on, and it felt like when I was expelling the smoke of my cigarette, my taste and smell was going away with it, like a ghost. And at the end of the cigarette, it was completely gone.
A kind of deliberate attempt at a naturalness that doesn't quite pull it off. As if someone's thought, I'll try and pretend to her that she's not trapped inside a screen. So I'll waft in the smell of the outdoors.
But if Ophelia is one who has been out of touch with the world, I mean, where many different sense impressions have been reduced to almost nothing or just to some very specific ones. So she has now to, again, learn how to touch, smell.
I was thinking about that as you described her moving. Ophelia can move, and that's proprioception. That's kinesthesia, which is the sense that you have regardless of what's going on externally.
I don't feel like Ophelia would stand in the middle of the space. I feel like she will look for a shelter somewhere, maybe trying to have one limb attached to the wall and seeing all the possible movement that you can have.
It's like engagement with environment. It's highly related with feeling of self-detachment, as if in order to be able to connect with yourself, you need to somehow stay in touch with the world, but literally, right? Stay in touch with the world and others.
I feel blind also, but with my taste and smell. And now that I don't have the touch, I feel even more blind. And I think, yeah, that's why I'm lost. I can't even say if I'm in moments like today, I don't know if I'm happy, unhappy, or anything. I'm completely lost because I can't feel anything, basically. I'm detached.
It shows you, I think, how delicate and fragile that pattern is, where the senses come together and integrate to give you a unified experience of the world around you and yourself.
I do think that we are unwittingly sort of educating or training a new generation of humans, through devices and swipes and phones and tablets and whatever, to become intrinsically more disembodied than we ever were.
I would predict that Ophelia in her in her screened world would be very difficult to start distinguishing what is real from what she's making up.